Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to find the paint code on your Tesla. We'll start by opening the Tesla app. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click View Details. On this screen, you'll see all the specs of your Tesla, including your paint code. My Tesla is Pearl White Multi-Coat, PPSW. Now we're ready to order the Tesla Paint Repair Kit. Click on your profile picture, scroll to the right and click on Tesla Shop. Then click on Vehicle Accessories, select your model, scroll up and click on Parts. And here is where you'll click to add the paint repair kit. So first what you need to do, it says size, but it really means your car's color code. So select your car's color code and then add the item to the cart. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.